Hi everyone, I'm Gillian. I'm one of the trainers for ishga, and today I would like to introduce you to two of our body products. So the first one I'd like to show you is the ishga Invigorating Body Lotion. So this is a blend of shea butter, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil and seaweed extract. There are also 4 essential oils packed into this bottle. So we have 2 relaxing, de-stressing oils, which are lavender and rose geranium. So these two will really help us to unwind, de-stress, and promote relaxation and a good night's sleep. We also have juniper berry and lemongrass. So these two oils will help to uplift and stimulate. The combination of all 4 make it a perfect blend to use every day. So you can use this morning and at night time. Because it's a lotion, it has a richer consistency than an oil, but it's very light because shea butter is a really light moisturising base. So to apply this, just apply over to the skin, concentrating on any dry areas. And like I said, it absorbs really quickly, so it's a fab one to use before putting clothes on or pyjamas on, because it really does absorb so quickly. You don't feel it on the skin. It's a lovely one to be using, even like it's not got any perfumed products inside it, but the combination of the essential oils, it just smells amazing. So fresh, and it lasts all day as well. This is a fabulous product for anyone who might have any skin conditions, particularly dry skin, dehydrated skin, and also it will really help with anyone who might have a skin condition such as psoriasis or eczema. The next product I'd like to talk to you about is the ishga Invigorating Body Oil. Now this is actually the same as the lotion, but it doesn't contain shea butter, so it is an oil base, okay? So this one is made up of jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, and it's got your 4 essential oils in there. So you've got your rose geranium, your lavender, juniper berry and lemongrass. This product can be used in some different ways. You can use it on the body, as we would, like we did with the lotion, applying it all over the skin. We can also use it through the ends of our hair. So for me, when I use it on my hair, I will wash my hair, come out, towel dry, and then rub the oil through the ends of my hair. It really helps to condition any dry ends, especially if you're using heated treatments like straighteners, hairdryer or any curling ones. It's also a great product to have sitting on your bedside cabinet. It's a lovely one to put on in the evening, and also to massage your cuticles. It will really help to soften those as well. And finally, another way to use this oil is to use it in your bath. So directly into a nice warm bath, just taking a couple of pumps of the Invigorating Body Oil, and you will get the benefits from the essential oils, and then coming out and applying it onto the skin, and it will make the skin supple, soft, hydrated, and you will get the seaweed extract benefits as well, which will really help with any aches and pains, any tension, and aid a good night's sleep. So it's perfect to be using both the morning and the night. I like to have my lotion in the morning and my oil at night time. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. If you have any questions on the products, please get in touch. Thank you.